Hello, I'm Rajvi Beda, and today I want to show you all the study material which you require to study and for mainly getting a good rank and a good score in NEET PG. I want to show you all the study material which I have used in a short period of time, and I will elaborate on every material, every part in subsequent videos. So do subscribe to my channel because I will posting more of useful videos, and that's my guarantee. Thank you. So we start with the study material. Okay. So first and the most important are your notes. This is the most important study material, which is your notes. I had joined DAMS foundation course, which was offline, face to face, and that was the best thing in my preparation. For every subject, I've made a separate book and written all my notes. I've tried to make them colorful. I will tell you more about how to write your notes and what all to add in your notes for your final revision, which will help you in your final revision in the subsequent videos. So these are notes of all 19 subjects. Then are the CRS copies of DAMS. So in the CRS, especially the review of radiology and Sumer sir's radiology CRS, there are many images, and I would recommend everyone to go through every image and its diagnosis or its treatment. So there are many images and even MCQs. So try to solve as many MCQs as possible and highlight or mark whichever you find more important. So this is your radiology CRS. Likewise, I have bookmarked, like I have added tags in rest of the CRS for all the images. So these are for most of the subjects. Then are your standard books. So this is Maheshwari for orthopedics. So most of the standard books you only have to refer for topics which you are weak at or which is very very important. So for any standard book, first thing is you go through the images. You go through the images and especially for surgery and orthopedics and OBGY, there is a last section on instruments, so please go through that section too in all your standard books. So ophthalmology, even ophthalmology has many images, so go through them. Even Robbins and other standard books, I will be telling you more about which standard books to follow and which standard books are not needed for your PG preparation. Then last is your important part, which is all your MCQs and your test papers. So first is please register for the DAMS CBT program, because there are many students which even register for it, so you know what your competition is and where you stand. So where you stand and how much you need to improve in the subsequent CBTs, you can see your progress. So these are the printouts of CBT papers. TND papers also, I had joined DAMS TND program. So these are the TND papers. I have only kept a few for example. I had taken printout of CBT. They usually send us a PDF for solution, so I had taken a printout so that it's easier to re-refer and re-revise these because CBTs are very high yield, and even in this I used to bookmark. So this is DAMS ka CBT and TND sessions, and last final is my tab. Yeah, you can see this is my home screen. I am rank 5. Yeah, I had kept a very high rank. Aim the highest, matlab, which you think is possible, and then you will work accordingly. So this tab is only for NEET PG, matlab only for educational purpose. I would never solve, I would rarely solve MCQs on my phone because there were more other distractions. But yes, during internship, I had to solve my MCQs and Marrow MCQs especially on my phone. So here, this is my alarm. Gmail for any important NBE notification, and gallery for many screenshots. Which I felt were important and were missing from my notes or CRS. Then is Telegram for any PDFs, especially for Zainab Vora ma'am's group. Then is Unacademy. So in Unacademy, I've only seen mainly Zainab ma'am's videos. Okay, I'm offline right now. And on e-medicos, I've only seen previous year NEET PG video solutions, and I've seen them many times because previous year questions are the basis on how you need to read your notes and what all you need to read from your notes mainly. So previous year papers, and last is a Marrow. For MCQs, mainly I have solved Marrow only. So I have done approximately 478 modules completed. And in question bank, yes, I want to add that you need not solve all the question banks in Marrow. For most of the subjects, I have solved only the important topic modules. Yes, only the important topic modules. Yes, I did not solve radiology because most of the radiology was done by Zainab ma'am in her videos, and I downloaded the PDFs there and there itself on Unacademy. And even medicine I did not solve because it had too many modules. See, 102 modules. So that is a huge number of questions and a lot of time to be allotted, which I thought was not feasible because you had to put in so much time, and the output was only for those questions, 5 questions. So medicine was taken care of by solving more of GTs on Marrow itself. So I did not solve radiology and medicine. And yes, most important is this last row of previous year question papers, which I had tried to solve almost all the modules, especially during the times when I was bored with my notes. So previous year question papers and test series. Yes, I had taken plan B, which had a question bank and test series. I did not take for videos because I had already joined DAMS so I had my notes ready. I had written all my notes in DAMS foundation course itself. So these are all the GTs. And I will make a separate video on how to review your GT and how to solve MCQs especially in your GTs, and how to manage time. All of it I will be putting in subsequent videos. And yes, so this is all the study material which I have used. Most important notes. Then is your CRS from your class or your printed notes. Then is your standard books. only mainly for the images, and then are your question papers, previous years CVTs, TNDs, all the question papers, and solve MCQs especially from Marrow. I would suggest that for MCQs Marrow is better than DAMS or eMedico's app or PrepLadder. Because in DAMS the MCQs are more lengthier as compared to what is actually given in NEET, and so Marrow is more replicative in terms of MCQs at least. So yes, so this is all my study material. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section or ask me on Telegram, and I will be posting more about each of the material in my subsequent videos. So do subscribe to my channel and share it with all of your friends who are studying for NEET. Thank you.